How to search for bookmarks in the Google Chrome browser. Welcome to tutorials.globally.com. Open your browser and follow along with me. These are all bookmarks which you have saved in your Google Chrome browser. If you want to search for anything special, just type in the search bar. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others as well. Now let's see how to show the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome and then add bookmarks in the bookmarks bar. As you can see here, this bookmark has been added to our bookmarks bar in our browser. Now, whenever you want to access this, just open your browser and click on this website from your bar. For more easy-to-understand tutorials, you can visit tutorials.globally.com.